How to catch a brain rot. Ever heard someone say they've got brain rot? Let's break down what it really means online. Brain rot is slang for being consumed by repetitive, low quality content like endless TikTok memes or absurd YouTube shorts. It's not a disease, it's just a cultural joke. Examples would be binge watching TikTok, skibbity toilet edits, repeating slang like Riz or Phantom Tax, or looping A generated spam content. That's what people mean when they say they've caught brain rot. So, Catch a Brain Rot is basically a Roblox game that you can play inside Roblox. So, in here, you can go ahead and have your own home, and then from your home, you can go ahead and take your brain rots. So, you can go ahead and get some brain rots from the lab. So, you'll need to select an initial brain rot from the selection of brain rots available on the lab, and then that specific brain rot will be used to fight for other brain rots and to be able to catch special brain rots on the game. So head back to the map and then go ahead and follow the instructions as a beginner. So in here, you'd basically find the selection of brain rots that you have initially. So the professor will ask you which brain rot would you like to get initially. And then once you have selected that brain rot, you can go ahead and fight over other brain rots using that specific brain rot. So this game is like Pokemon, but in a brain rot way. That is how to catch a brain rot.